This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to virtually sign a PDF. This modern approach to document handling saves a great deal of time and effort compared to traditional methods. You can securely apply your signature to contracts, forms, and agreements without needing a printer or scanner. It is a straightforward process, making your document workflow much more efficient and accessible from almost anywhere. Choosing the right tool is your first important step in virtually signing documents. Look for software known for its security and ease of use, whether it is a desktop application or an online service. Popular choices include specific PDF editors or dedicated signing platforms. Ensure the tool allows you to create and place your signature simply, protecting your document's integrity throughout the process. Now, you will upload the specific PDF document you intend to sign onto your chosen platform. This process is usually very intuitive. You can often drag and drop your file directly into the designated area. Alternatively, simply click an Upload or Open button and navigate to your document's location. Double-check that the entire document loads properly and is completely visible on your screen. Creating your virtual signature is typically offered in three main ways. You can type your name, draw it freehand using your mouse or trackpad, or even upload a clear image of your handwritten signature. Many platforms also offer the option to capture your signature via a mobile device. Ensure your chosen method results in a clean and professional-looking signature before placing it perfectly on your document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.